Microorganism. Hello friends, I am Geetika Bajaj, student of class 8th. Today I am again here with you with another important topic of science, that is microorganism. Under this topic, we shall be discussing about their types, reproduction and nutrition. Microorganism. If we look around us, we can see many living organisms, but in fact, there are a large number of living organisms which we cannot see with the naked eye. Microorganisms are so small that they can only be seen through a microscope. They are also useful in the food and beverage industry, in making medicines and vaccines, in agriculture, and in cleaning the environment. Types of microorganisms. There are 5 major groups of microorganisms, namely bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi, and viruses. Bacteria. Bacteria are simple unicellular living things. They are found everywhere in air, water, soil, and in human beings. They grow and multiply very fast. Nearly 2,500 billion bacteria are present in 1 gram of garden soil. Each bacterial cell can exist singly, but sometimes they cling together to form a chain of groups. Algae. Algae are simple plant-like organisms that have cell walls and chlorophyll within the cell. They are unicellular or multicellular. They have no true roots, stems, or leaves. They make their own food by photosynthesis. Almost all algae live in water, that is in ponds, lakes, and seawater. The greenish colored growth often seen in water and on the surface of wet rocks is algae. Protozoa. Protozoa are unicellular organisms. They have animal-like characteristics. They capture and eat food and can move from place to place. Some protozoa are parasites that live in the bodies of other organisms, including human beings. Example of protozoa are amobia and paramecium. Fungi. Fungi are plant-like organisms that do not contain chlorophyll. They can be unicellular or multicellular. For example, yeast is unicellular, whereas bread is multicellular. Fungi cannot make their own food. They feed on waste and dead plants. They grow best in dark, warm, and moist places. Viruses. Viruses do not have a cellular structure like other microorganisms. In fact, they are so small that they cannot be seen by a normal microscope, and an electron microscope, which can magnify an object by more than 2 lakh times, is used to observe viruses. Viruses are not living organisms. They cannot reproduce by themselves. However, when a virus enters a living cell like humans, it uses the energy of the host cell to reproduce. However, after the formation of thousands of viruses, the host cell often dies. It breaks and new viruses spread and invade other cells. A person falls ill when a large number of cells die. As important characteristics of life is reproduction, scientists regard viruses as a link between living and non-living. They have been placed on the dividing line between the living and the non-living things. Like, share, and subscribe. Friends, if you like my today's video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day ahead.